Hey there, I'm Blaine, a trainer for the Activate Academy and a disability quality trainer at the CRPD in Malta. Today, I want to share an exciting update about Activate, an Erasmus Plus project co-funded by the EU that focuses on empowering autistic youth and helping them build their self-advocacy skills. I'm here to tell you more about the Autism Advocacy Academy, which was mentioned in the last video, and what each unit includes in its curriculum. In Unit 1, we began by exploring what advocacy truly means and how we can start speaking up for your needs and strengths. Unit 2 focuses on education, helping you collaborate with teachers and schools to build inclusive learning environments. Next, Unit 3 covers healthcare. You'll learn how to find accessible services and communicate effectively with health providers. Unit 4 is all about the workplace, understanding your rights and taking sure that your voice is heard on the job. In Unit 5, we've dived into policy change and legal rights, showing you how to connect with decision makers and influence progress. Finally, Unit 6 takes advocacy online, teaching you how to raise awareness and build connections through digital campaigns. Each unit is carefully designed to boost your confidence, enhance your skills, and help you become a strong self-advocate. If you'd like to join these training sessions, contact us through our website at neuroadvocacy.eu or directly via our email, activate@gov.mt. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to keeping you updated with the progress of Activate.